Welcome to the Indomitable Leadership Identity Upgrade. If you are here today, more than likely your leadership team is experiencing a disconnect with those that they lead. And let me tell you that you are not alone. Most mid to large size organizations are bleeding millions per year in turnovers, absenteeism, and low performance because there is lack of personal development within leadership's identity. And this is exactly what this program is designed to do. I come in and I don't just give your leaders techniques, keynote, motivation, and hype. This is about integrating on a subconscious level your leaders with the best of the best beliefs that lead the best of the best leaders in the world. And not just that, but I give them strategy where they can reestablish rapport with those that they've lost rapport with. One of the many beliefs that I instill your leaders with is the belief of how to establish rapport. Establishing rapport means that the individual who your leader is going to be leading understands and believes on a subconscious level what the role is of their leader. And that role is to lead them to become greater within their thinking and behaviors on a consistent basis in order to fulfill the vision of the organization and the vision of the person that they are leading. Every time that your leader needs to course correct, the person that they are leading is going to be open to your leadership's will because they have come to accept your leadership's role in their life. Another belief that I instill into your leadership is personal responsibility. And meanwhile, taking personal responsibility is common sense, it's not common practice. Think about what most leaders are doing. They're reacting and blaming everything on the people that they lead. And in this way, they cannot evolve for themselves in order for them to lead on a different level. So imagine just with those two beliefs. After every single circumstance, good and bad, everybody in the equation would evolve. And when a team's need for growth is met consistently, inspiration is all around. And where inspiration exists, so does innovation, new identities, and connections are strengthened. And in this way, everybody wins and companies will save themselves the millions of dollars that they're losing per year and the headaches that come with it. Now I invite you to lean in and book a discovery so that you can learn more about the process and the benefits that you, your leaders, and your organization are going to experience as a whole. Thank you.